Welcome to 23 Pleasant Street, located in Riverside, Connecticut. This lovely home was custom built by a local builder for himself and his family. You're going to see lots of lovely details. For instance, this front porch. When you enter, you have a foyer, which leads to all of the main rooms on the first floor. Good sized living room with French doors out to the deck, wood burning fireplace, and again large enough for a big gathering. Then you enter two French doors, which lead you to the working office, which also overlooks the backyard and the deck. Two closets and a powder room. And you enter into the kitchen, gourmet kitchen with all the bells and whistles. Leads out to the deck and the dining room. Opens into the family room. Lots of windows. Home is very bright. Formal dining also leads out to the deck and back into the kitchen. Large deck, which also opens up back into the living room, and large yard. Now we'll head to the second floor and see the 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Nice open staircase. Nice open hallway, again with lots of light coming in. Master bedroom. Lovely views of the backyard. 2 walk-in closets. Large master bath with 2 sinks, water closet, tub, and shower. Nice high ceiling. Laundry room with sink and lots of storage, linen closet. Full bath overlooks the backyard. Another linen closet. 1 bedroom. All the bedrooms are good size. Again, lots of light coming in. All the bedrooms are corners, so they have 2 exposure. And we'll head down to the lower level where we have access to the backyard and a nice playroom and storage. It's the beginning of your storage. There's more closets down here, plus crawl space. Very large crawl area, all nice and dry. Storage, some utilities, more closets, nice big family room, and then access out to the backyard.